Yeah, see all those drinks? Those are...
For years, this garage was completely uncluttered, and something most people take for granted, parking inside, fell in.
That cabinet, I guess maybe you can see it over here, but it had doors. It's real heavy, and the doors are piling up, and I don't know how this happened. So
This is Miss Wilson, her dream, a reality. Check this out. It's like Stick around to see all the crazy. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, man. It's a mess.
Yeah, we just saw it.
There's a lot. Reorganize that, maybe move it to one corner so I can get it.
Oh yeah, just let us know what you want to get rid of. And
you can see that thing on the wall, that cabinet. So I quit parking on the inside, and that's when things just started piling up, and I don't know how this happened. Animal food. It's what I gas.
Okay.
I
see, it's real common.
There's a lot of those in there, and they're almost. But toss them in there thinking I'll break them down for recycling.
Yeah.
And I never did. So stacked, but a lot of it needs to just be thrown away.
Okay.
So let me get this
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
However you need to present it, but I am going to pay y'all because I know y'all save your energy for. But
Yeah, if you like, yeah.
At any time, if you feel like that's more than I want to do, just let me know.
No, just right here.
I would say just start pulling stuff out, and like I said, you're going to find that most of these boxes are empty. Oh, we can put stuff in that and just kind of just start picking through big stuff. So, but these boxes,
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, just that makes it
or I
the
get my
both.
car in. That's my main goal, because for security and stuff like that. Apparently, now to fix the door because I can't get to it. Okay, now try to. That's all expired. That's all thrown away.
Okay.
So, y'all might have found your first job that overwhelms you. I don't know that one last week, but last Monday was. I don't know.
That's stinky.
So there we are. I guess just pull it out, and I'll kind of sit out here and.
Driveway. All right, everyone, we just talked to Miss Wilson and took a look at her garage, higher drinks, you name it. But we are super excited to do this for her, clean it out, organize it. Start getting these Cokes out. She did say they're expired. These are old. Check this out. Exploding. Yeah.
Yeah.
These books.
Yes, we'll keep those.
Yeah. Like books.
Yeah. I'll probably want to put back in there and.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that was 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, I kind of need to keep that.
Yeah.
I trap possums in that one, mate.
Calculator. Need this?
I don't recognize that box.
This?
Yeah, you can go. Yeah, you keep those.
Decoration.
Hold out.
Said you sell, right?
Yeah.
Get to wrap things up.
Yeah, I want to keep those.
What else?
They're very old and they're probably worth some money, but I don't know what to do with them. So.
We're definitely making some progress here. As you can see, we can actually walk into the garage right now. So, yeah, big trap. It's a brand new trap. Yeah. This is a brand new trap right here.
We'll keep that and throw that.
Throw the old one away, right? Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
This one's brand new. Looks like. about this?
Yeah, I'll keep it.
You keep it? Go away. It's my dad's size, he says. One bigger. This out. It's like a really antique, like a Coke decoration or something. Yeah. They don't make this. They don't make stuff like this anymore. And check out the Coke bottle.
Yeah, let me keep those. Is there something in that Coke that way? Yeah.
Real vintage, huh? Real old school.
It is. It's old.
Yeah, a little cleanup and it'll make a big difference.
Ice cream maker.
Old school. You want to keep these? I'm not sure. I think you put it on the wall or something. Yeah.
I guess, let me see it. Let me
Yeah.
figure out how to use this. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's another ice cream?
I guess so.
It's like another ice cream maker, looks like.
Yeah.
Want to keep it?
Yeah.
Fireplace?
What do you think this is? I have no idea. If I had to take a guess, I would say about definitely old, full of spider webs and dust.
Maybe 19.
Let's go ask her if she wants to keep it.
Ready?
Place?
Yeah. Well, it's an old. Yeah, it's a wood burning stove. It's been-
Oh, okay. This is really cool.
From what year is this? You were guessing like the 1960s,
Yeah,
50s?
no, it's late 1800s.
It's like a... Gonna try it out. Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Does work.
It works.
The light works, but it
Yeah,
won't
it
stay
works.
up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Looks like a movie poster to me, but not sure. Let's go see what she movie poster or...
Yeah, but it's damaged. At the
Yeah, that's what I was... Yeah.
Probably worth the money.
What about this lamp?
What about these shelves? Yeah. It's good enough.
I've changed my mind about a couple of these things. I'm gonna throw that vacuum away.
The vac- this one?
Yeah.
It's cool, huh?
It's old. Yeah.
What these tables? You want these tables?
I didn't notice how filthy that thing was.
Let's take this out already. She's gonna keep it.
Just gonna keep this?
Yeah. You're gonna keep this, right? This.
You can throw it away.
Let's put it to the side. Sealed.
Is that open?
No, it's sealed still.
Oh, okay.
But you want to park your okay, so we can move everything over here?
Yeah.
All the things you're keeping, like the boxes right here.
I'm wondering, could y'all take off that shelf off the wall over here? Because I don't think...
The shelf?
My car is right on the wall.
Okay.
Yeah, because when she parks her car in here, it's gonna be in the way. Laps on her car and it dented it, so. how to take it down. Sí, no, it's not. It's off, just like that. The nail's down. All right, let's load it onto the trailer. Keep it. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's like records. Music records.
Yeah, I want to keep those.
There's a lot more actually.
Probably leave where they are.
These?
I'm gonna list those on Facebook.
Okay.
What it is?
The one in the middle is an old candy machine.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow, 1 cent. Wow, back in the day, this used to be full of candy.
Snack close.
See?
Snack.
Elite
Yeah.
coffee.
That'll do.
Yeah.
Little bed, cat bed.
This one?
I can use that for the afternoon.
Okay.
Is it looking better?
Yeah, it's looking better.
Yeah, for sure we'll keep that.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Can we start putting some things in there?
Yep.
What about this?
Yeah, keep it there.
Keep. I put it. You want this container, right?
Well, you can put it in there. Well, yeah, we'll keep that.
Solar panel.
We'll keep that.
Okay.
Yeah, put it in there. That's a good idea.
This is for the big things. Yeah.
Yeah, those are singing it on. And the hose and those.
This can go.
Yeah.
You want this cone? Safety cone?
These records.
That's fine. Yeah.
Still more room. Yeah. Small things. That dog fits in there. The dog. That little container right there.
We can probably get this picture in there.
Yeah, that's good. It's finally looking like a garage now. Can actually walk. for milk?
Huh?
This was milk?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, look, Frank's Dairy. It's cool. Putting everything on this side because she wants to park her car over here, so. Yeah. Okay. Well.
Very, it's dated.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Rather than get broken.
Está bajo el cemento. Ya, ya. Oh, ya, cuidado, está. Cuidado, cuidado. Pues, pues,
I have dreams sometimes. I wanted my garage back so bad. I would have dreams.
No.
There's some light bulbs for that light up there. Did I get told to put some new bulbs in there?
Light.
Should be.
Oh, right here? For these? That's for these? Okay. Now we're in business.
You could try to put your car in there. We'd like to see.
Okay.
Yeah? Want to move out the way? And
Looks like it should.
yeah, it's plenty of stuff.
Believe it or not, I used to have two cars. I had my personal vehicle and work vehicle, and I parked them both in here. But over time,
Right now, so Miss Wilson can try to see if her car will actually fit in the garage, which fingers crossed. I remember when we arrived, she opened the garage. We were just overwhelmed. Now here are the things she did want to keep, but everything else, fingers crossed they will. Fits? Yeah, perfect. See from the front? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. She walk in through the garage door,
what a blessing y'all are, guys.
touching anything. And then you have space right here for the door. Walk in the house.
Thank y'all so much for
Oh, for sure.
restoring my garage for me.
Thank you.
I'm serious. I'm serious. Take it. Put it toward.
All right. God bless. All right.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
She did give us a pretty generous tip. She gave everything that once felt like were completely cleared out. Years of buildup, stress, and things she didn't know. She can finally put her car into her garage like she's always wanted. Some of this are exactly why we do what we do. And at last, it all gets done. Be the last time you'll see Miss Wilson. Moment of truth. Walking in, a couch. This was the living room, yeah.